Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Meditation Mama, and this is Manifesting Mondays. First, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because your likes and your shares really do keep my channel alive. And if you're not new, then welcome back. This week, I wanted to make a video on manifesting change. I'm sure everyone who lives in the United States and even people who don't live in the United States have heard about what's going on with George Floyd, Black Lives Matter, and the police brutality against African Americans. I wanted to say that I'm so grateful to my parents because they never taught me to have hate in my heart. And as a matter of fact, my parents always taught me to love and respect all human beings the same. Now, I've been watching the news, and I live in Los Angeles, and we have been having protests all over our city, and even protests in my own neighborhood. And it is heartbreaking to see that there are so many people out there that don't feel the same. But at the same time, I see so many people coming together, all races, religions, skin colors, and they're coming together because they all believe in the same thing, and that's change. Every thought and every action creates the world that we live in today. So let's set the intention today for change. Change in our hearts, our feelings, and our emotions. And we need to understand and realize that what we communicate is creating the world that we live in. We all come from the same place. We are all energy. We are all one. So to manifest change, we first have to start with ourselves. So I challenge you to look inside of yourself and see if there's anything inside of yourself that needs to be changed. Because if there is, you can change that now. You might be able to change how you think, how you feel, or even how you view certain circumstances. Put yourself in somebody else's shoes. How would they feel? I think another thing that will help us manifest change is our point of attraction. Now, I made a video a couple weeks ago about your point of attraction, so I definitely suggest that you go watch it because you might not realize what your point of attraction is or where it is, and you might be manifesting the exact opposite of what you really want. Because if you're manifesting from a place of lack, anger, or negativity, all you're going to do is bring more of that into your reality. So to manifest change, we need to manifest from a place of love, unity, and togetherness if that's what we really want to bring into our realities. So find out where your current point of attraction is because there might be some things that you have to change. And then lastly, if you really want change, I encourage you in November to go to the polls and vote. If you've never registered to vote, go vote. Get up, register, and go vote. And if it's been a long time, get off your butt and go vote. And then to all the younger people out there, your demographic is the demographic that votes the least, but you want the most amount of change. So again, I encourage all the young people out there, please go register and go vote. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope I've encouraged some of you to really look inside of yourself and see if there might be anything inside of you that needs to be changed. And just remember that we are all one. We are all united, and we are stronger when we stand together.